Understanding the Beaufort Wind Scale, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic, the Beaufort Scale. This scale is an essential tool used by meteorologists and sailors to describe the strength of the wind. Understanding this scale will not only expand your vocabulary but also give you insight into a system used worldwide. Let's dive in. The Beaufort Scale, developed by Sir Francis Beaufort in the early 19th century, is a wind force scale. It allows people to estimate wind speed simply by observing the effects of the wind. The scale starts from 0, indicating calm winds, to 12, which represents a hurricane. This clever system has been used by sailors for centuries and is now a standard in weather forecasting. In this section, we'll break down the Beaufort scale, level by level. Level O, calm, smoke rises vertically. Level 1, light air, smoke drift indicates wind direction. Level 12, hurricane, severe destruction. Each level provides specific descriptions of wind effects, like wave conditions, sea spray, and the impact on land. The Beaufort scale isn't just for weather experts. It's useful for everyday activities. For example, sailing and fishing. Knowing wind conditions helps in planning trips. Agriculture. Farmers use it to protect crops and livestock. General safety. It's crucial for outdoor events and construction projects. Understanding the Beaufort scale is not only about learning new English terms but also about grasping a system that connects us globally. We hope this video has been informative and engaging. Stay curious, and see you in our next lesson.